flawed. For example, there is a CRZ law in place. The river is just banked here. Even if you do physical measurement, that bungalow should have then come in the river. Number two, health department laws has been just thrown into the air. No CZMPA plan, no CRZ laws properly maintained, neither ASI nor UNESCO, nothing. Now, this total illegal hunting. Above all, the biggest catch we got now, because see, the more you hide the truth is naked. It will get fully naked, and it is getting naked day by day. Now we came to know the property was purchased in the year 1940 to 15. Permissions were sought in 2019, and the permissions were sought in the name of the seller.
Okay.
Now, seller is nowhere in the picture in 2019. So, this is the big time manipulations done. So, what we had told, we are not at loggerhead with the authorities now. What has been done is done. We can take the next coercive action later. But what we see today is that illegal structure should not be set as a precedent for the whole of India tomorrow. It's not a question of St. Cajetan Church. It's a question of all India. Either it is for Safa Masjid, or it is the Durgeshwari Mandir, or it is for St. Cajetan. ASI is not exclusive for Christians. So if we allow this thing to go untouched, undemolished, this will be an like all India reporting case study, and they will do in future a lot of places, and this will have repercussions on the harmony of the whole of India. There will be total chaos among Indians tomorrow, and this will be the bone of contention for every fight and disharmony in the whole of India. So we want to nip it in the bud today. Whether it takes us another 10 years, we are going to sit here till the bungalow is demolished. Because it is a watertight case where it is an open and shut case, it is totally illegal. Nobody can even, if it goes in the Supreme Court, even the judges will falter to write an order on this. Because they cannot, because they'll have to look at a lot of things in the future. So this has to get demolished. आम्ही ही एक खुमटी आणली, ही खुमटी protected सायटान आसा. These are all protected monuments by ASI, Archaeological Survey of India. So in this protected area, there can be no new construction or reconstruction. There can be only repair of the whatever constructed things are there, ancient, can be only repaired, and that also within that area which it is showing. So in this cadastral map or on the Google map, even in 2019, ही हुमटी दिसती पडटा. But 2021 म्हणल्यार हो व्हडलो बंगलो दिसती पडटा. हे कशें जालें? That means ही खुमटी थंय आशिल्ली. पण हे खुमटी मोडल्या, आणि ही खुमटी मोडून तेमी हो स्ट्रक्चर असलो म्हणून परमिशन काढला. पण हो स्ट्रक्चर हांगा व्हडले गोंयांत खंयच ना. दीस स्ट्रक्चर इज इन पार्से. सो ही पार्सेचो स्ट्रक्चर घेवन तेमी TCPन सगळे परमिशन काढला, saying that this structure was existing in this place at the place of Humti. But Humti आलेली तिका हो स्ट्रक्चर नाशिल्लो. So this is the illegality they have done to make things legal. आणि ही खुमटी दाखवून त्याने आता व्हडलो स्ट्रक्चर बांधला पळय हो. This is such a big structure they have built. So by ASI dictation, खुमटी आल्यार खुमटीची एरिया आसा फकत 50 meters. तो 50 मिटरची खुमटी आसा ती रिपेअर पासून मागलेली जाल्यार ती 50 मिटरूच येवपाक जाय आशिल्ली. पूण 50 मिटराच्या जाग्यार तेमी ऑलमोस्ट 397 मीटर स्क्वेअर झोकल आणि 397 स्क्वेअर मीटर वयर काढल्या. सो ऑलमोस्ट 800 meters. Number one, and they have increased this. So total illegal it is. So this is an open and shut case, and if this is allowed, this will set a wrong precedent all over India, not only Goa. It is not a question of Christian monument. It's a question of all the heritage monument of India. I'm Anthony De Silva. I am also hailing from Asalna, coming all the way almost 60 kilometers from there. Now basically there is a structure which is already open and shut case. It is totally illegal in all the angles. There is no angle left where we can say it is to be debatable. So with all the legalities which has been done illegally, it has to be demolished. Now the question is who and when. Now आम्ही सगळे हिंगा सत्याग्रहाचेर बसल्या, every day it is a chain hunger strike going on. Now, we will continue this till that illegal bungalow is demolished in toto to ground zero. Because what is illegal. You can hide for some time. It cannot continue. We are gone to the Supreme Court also now. So finally the biggest authority of India in whom we have the faith, we are waiting for their decision. But एक आमचे म्हणणे इतलेच आसा, why wait for the Supreme Court, which is an open and shut case? No Supreme Court can allow such a structure to continue to live in a heritage protected site. It is not a question of Christians or Muslims or Hindus. It's a question of ASI, Archaeological Survey of India. There is a dictation given. No structures can come up with illegally in this. So the agitation wise, this agitation will go on. It will go on indefinitely, infinitely, till the Supreme Court will declare in black and white that this structure needs to be demolished. And we have full faith in the Supreme Court. But one saving face, that is why we are saving face for all, where we all win-win situation for the owners, for the sellers, for the buyers, and for the agitators and the people of Goa. Sagle needs going on, Hindu, Muslim, Christian, all over, and it is basically in the interest of the whole of India, as it is also at UNESCO site, that it is amicably, if it is sorted down, this is the best solution we can get.
और सत्याग्रह है जो कभी गांधी जी ने किया था, उस तरह से गोवा के लोग गोवा की कल्चर को, गोवा की तहजीब को और गोवा का जो स्ट्रक्चर है उसको बचाने के लिए बहुत जेन्युइन डिमांड्स के साथ यहाँ पर प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं। कांग्रेस पार्टी इनके साथ खड़ी है और मैं एज ए माइनॉरिटी डिपार्टमेंट के नेशनल चेयरमैन की हैसियत से यहाँ आया हुआ हूँ इन्हें सपोर्ट करने के लिए। मेरा डिपार्टमेंट इनके साथ है और अभी सारा इशू समझने के बाद इनकी डिमांड्स जायज़ हैं और जो जिस तरह से पूरा फ्रॉड करके एक कंस्ट्रक्शन किया जा रहा है वो ASI से लेकर के यूनेस्को से लेकर के आर्कियोलॉजी के सारे नॉर्म्स के ख़िलाफ़ है और मुझे हैरत है कि किस तरह से उसे परमिट किया गया। अगर ये डिमोलिश नहीं किया जाता है तो ये अपने आप में एक एग्जाम्पल बनेगा पूरे देश के लिए और फ्यूचर में ऐसी बहुत सारी हेरिटेज बिल्डिंग्स हैं जिनको ये नुकसान पहुंचाएगा। ये अगर इस लॉ में ज़रा सा भी छूट नहीं दी गई या फिर इसे डिमोलिश नहीं किया गया या गवर्नमेंट और अथॉरिटीज़ ने सामने आ करके इसको डिमोलिश नहीं किया तो हम साथ हैं और मैं प्रॉमिस करता हूं कि हमारा डिपार्टमेंट इस पर लीगली भी जो बन पड़ेगी वो मदद करेगा। मैं अपनी लीगल टीम से इस पर मशवरा भी करूँगा और ज़रूरत पड़ी और यहाँ इन सत्याग्रहियों की बात नहीं मानी गई तो ज़रूरत पड़ेगी तो हम कोर्ट तक जाएंगे, सुप्रीम कोर्ट तक जाएंगे, हम उसमें पूरी मदद करेंगे।
दर्शन मेळ्ळें आमी हेजेर कितें तरी एक्शन घेवन आमी जाता तितले बेगीन आमी खंयचोय म्हणजे आमी जे कितें लिगल कितें आमी आतां ऑलरेडी आमी पेपर बी काडल्यात, थोडे RTI मागून आमी पेपर काडले, जाता तितले बेगीन आमी लिगल एक्शन घेवन आमी डिमोलिश करपाचे प्रयत्न आमचो चालू आसा।
सर आता कुमारजुव्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन तुम्ही काम करता न्ही, सो पंचायती कडल्यान तुमी कसो कितें हें करतालो पंचायतीच्या संदर्भात?
कित्याक ताका पयलीं DCPन बी परमिशन दिल्लें आसा, आमी तें चालू आसा, सगळें लिगल एक्शन घेवपाक फूल पेपर आमी काडटा, सगळें केल्या उपरांत तुमकां फुडें आतां रोखडेंच कळटलें न्हू, सगळें कळटलें कळ्ळें न्ही। आमी आतां सारकें स्टेप बाय स्टेप आमी तो प्रोसिजर चालू केल्लो आसा आनी तेजो रिजल्ट तुमकां बेगीन कळटलो। आमी अत्याचार जावपाक दिवचे ना आनी अशें कितें अशें इल्लिगल कितें येवपाक आमी केन्नाच दिवचे ना। हांव पयलो आसतलो थंय, प्रॉमीस करता तुमकां।
सो तुमी तांच्या बरोबर सदैव
100% सदैव हांव तेंच्या बरोबर आसा, केन्नाच खंय कमी पडचो ना, केन्नाय 24 वरां म्हाका उलो मारल्यार हांव तेंच्या बरोबर आसतलो।